हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। आप मेरा मोटिवेशनल चैनल देख भी रहे होंगे, कुछ लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब भी कर रखा होगा। तो थैंक यू सो मच दोज हु हैव सब्सक्राइब्ड एंड इवन नॉट सब्सक्राइब्ड एंड वॉचिंग माई चैनल, थैंक यू सो मच। बट इट इज़ अ रिक्वेस्ट, इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियोज़ काइंडली शेयर द कॉन्टेंट इफ़ यू लाइक। तो आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ in our life we share many things with the people, like we feel that they are very close to us, but I feel there are three specific things which you should never share with anyone. First is secret of your success. Suppose you are a wonderful, successful person in your life, you should never share the secret of your success. Why? It's not कि people will feel jealous or something. That may be the part, but for not for everyone. But the reason is that if you will share the secret of your success, people will try the same thing, that person was successful because he did that, she did that. They will also try the same, but they won't be see the mantra of success. Everything is not applicable to everyone. Maybe the conditions were in your favor that time and not to others. हो सकता है जो आपने तब किया तब आप सक्सेसफुल हो गए और दूसरा ट्राई करे तो वो ना हो. तो पीपल में थिंक दैट यू डिडंट शेयर द राइट थिंग विद देम. उनको लगेगा आपने उनके साथ गलत चीज़ शेयर करी है, आपने 100% उनको सही गाइड नहीं करा है. तो try to not to share your success mantra with anyone. Second is, don't share your problems. This is the biggest issue. We feel that this person is our friend, we share our problems. No doubt we really feel light when we share our problems with others, but I tell you, it's a personal experience that 20% people even don't care that what is happening to you. They are just taking it as gossip. They just listen and they'll let it go. They will not bother about you. And 70% people, they'll be happy that you are in that problem and they'll take out mistakes from you, that you are the wrong person, you maybe have are doing this, maybe आपके कभी उनके साथ clashes रहे होंगे, तो they must be thinking that you are the wrong person, तो they'll be happy. And 10% of people, I can say that they really care for you. So you are not aware if you are talking to those 10% or not. You are not sure that you are talking to those 10%. Okay, so think twice, thrice before 100 times. Think 100 times before you share your issues, your problems with others, because all of them will not be able to solve your problems. Some of them will be clapping on your problems. Some of them really don't care, they'll take it as gossip only. And only 10% people are the people who really care for you. Now third is the main thing, your aim, your dream. Never share your dream with someone, anyone. Why? It's not that I am restricting you from sharing your feelings, that what is your aim with you. I am saying because everybody is not having the same point of view. You must be taking that dream, you must be wanting to pursue that dream because you must have thought about something. आपका कुछ लक्ष्य जो आपने निर्धारित किया है, वो आपने कुछ सोचा होगा कि मैंने ये इसलिए लेना है. बट जो दूसरा पर्सन है उसका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कुछ और हो सकता है. मान लीजिए आपने डॉक्टर बनने का सोचा है, तो अगर आप किसी से बात करेंगे वो कहेंगे नहीं जी इस स्ट्रीम में तो कुछ है नहीं, और आप हो जाओगे डबल माइंड, इजंट इट. तो आप अपना ड्रीम बहुत ही रेयर लोगों के साथ शेयर करिए, हर एक के साथ नहीं. ये नहीं मैं कह रही हूँ लोग आपको भटका देंगे, बट देखिए every person is unique and every person is having their own point of view. They'll give you own point of view. If you will ask me also na, I must be having some different point of view, you must be having some different point of view, isn't it? So थिंकिंग इज डिफरेंट. इट्स नॉट दैट पीपल विल हैविंग अ ब्लैक आई और बुरी नज़र लगा देंगे या कुछ नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. ईवल आई हो जाएगी. नो नो नो, आई रियली मीन कि दे विल जस्ट गिव यू डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, और आप अपने जो मकसद है उससे भटक सकते हो इस तरह से. ठीक है, तो द थिंग आई सेड, सीक्रेट ऑफ योर सक्सेस शुड नॉट बी शेयर्ड. सी, दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट एप्लीकेबल टू एवरीवन. I am not saying these are applicable to everyone ki don't share the secret of your success, don't share your problems with anyone, don't share your dream. These things are not applicable to everyone. I am saying we must restrict ourselves from sharing everything to everyone. Thank you so much for watching. अगर आपको वीडियोस अच्छी लगती हैं या आप ऐसी ही और वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ stay tuned. Thank you so much.